Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCY Amadiva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme to work with. This week's theme is ladies' accessories. Next week's theme is buttons. So if you'd like to join us in our collab, you may use that theme. Also, we enter our projects into Jillian Norwood's hashtag Saturday Makes and or Saturday Morning Makes, and make sure you enter her collab as well. All right, so this week I am using My Creative Time. This is an old set, so this is no longer in the store, but I'm using some of these dies to cut out the sentiments. And I don't know where I got the sentiments from. Matter of fact, I could have typed them up, but I'm not sure. And then I'm also using this die set, which is the foliage die. I'm using this here. And I'm also using this set here from Honeybee Stamps. I got this a while ago, so this is no longer in the store. But this is called the nail polish bottle card. And that's just what I used, was the card part of that. So that's what I have. And then also I am using some items from Cuddle Me Claytay, the one and only best flower maker here on the YT. I am using these beautiful flowers here, absolutely gorgeous. I love them, and I got this from the last Happy Mail that she sent me. I am so thankful. And then I also purchased this set here, which I'm using the white out of there, and this is beautiful. I love both of them. I love them. So I will also have her link down below as well if you'd like to go over and see what she has in her store, and make sure you pick those up. And then the last thing that I'm going to show you is this paper, which I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using this paper right there for my fingernail polish. And here goes my fingernail polish bottle. I thought I should put it on some background paper, considering I have a black background normally. So I wanted you to see how that turned out. This was so simple to put together. I'm telling you, it was just the most simplest thing. Maybe took me a half hour to finish up, but love how this turned out. Oops, I think I got some glue on there. Anyways, there goes Tay's flowers there. I thought those were beautiful. That's My Creative Times foliage die there. And then, like I said, I don't know where I got the birthday wishes from, but I do know I did use My Creative Times dies to cut that out. But there goes that paper. I thought it looked good as fingernail polish. You can kind of tell the swirls in there. And then I used some black glitter paper there for that. I didn't do anything to the inside, but that's how it looks there. And yeah, so that's my ladies' accessories. Thought about using a purse, but I ran into not having enough time, so this is what I created. So thanks so much everyone for stopping by. Make sure you use those hashtags, hashtag Saturday Makes or hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, which we have that theme every week, so make sure you use that. Remember, next week's theme will be buttons. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.